Hello, welcome to Geography class 9th with the chapter Natural Vegetation and Wildlife. Today I am telling you something about the ecosystem and some major different types of forest which are found in India. Now first of all we will discuss about what is ecosystem. All the plants and animals in an given area are interlinked or interdependent on each other as well as the physical environment forming the ecosystem. And human beings are the most important integral part of ecosystem. Interrelationship and interdependence of living and non-living organisms in a similar environmental condition forms the ecosystem. Now, what are biomes? What are biomes? A very large ecosystem on land having distinct types of vegetation and wildlife is called a biome. Plants formation are used on the basis of their grouping or identification. Now, we will talk about the different types of forest. First of all, we will discuss about the tropical rainforest. Okay? It requires rainfall above 200 centimeters with a short dry season. They are found in a rainy part of India, such as western slopes of the Western Ghat, islands group of Lakshadweep and Andaman Nicobar, upper parts of Assam and the Tamil Nadu coast. Sometimes trees reach to the great height, such as 60 meters or sometimes even more than this also. Since the region is warm and wet throughout the year, it has luxuriant vegetation of all kinds, tree, shrubs, creeper, giving a multi-layered structure called canopy. Evergreen forests are not definite, they do not shed the leaves during the definite time period, they remain green throughout the year. Commercially important trees which are found in tropical rainforest are ebony, mahogany, rosewood, rubber, cinchona. And the common animals which are found in these forests are elephant, monkey, lemur, deer, and one-horned rhinoceros found in the jungles of Assam and West Bengal. From the point of map work, where do we find one-horned rhinoceros? Sometimes it comes. And others. Plenty of birds, bats, sloths, scorpions, and snails are also found in these forests. See, the picture is also showing the trees having different type of categories like herbs, shrubs, short trees, dense canopy, tall emergent trees. So these trees reaches up to the height of sometimes above than 60 meter. Above than 60 meter. Now we will see the pictures of tropical deciduous forest. These are the pictures of tropical deciduous forest. Now, what are the main features of tropical deciduous forest? First of all, see that tropical deciduous forest is divided into two categories, the dry deciduous and the moist deciduous, okay, on the basis of rainfall. It requires rainfall between 70 centimeter and 200 centimeters. They are commonly known as the monsoon forest and they are most widespread forest in India. The most widespread forest of India are monsoon forest or deciduous forest. These forests used to shed their leaves for about 6 to 8 weeks in summer. On the basis of availability of water, these forests are divided into two categories, which I told you earlier also. Common animals which are found in these forests are lion, tiger, pig, deer, and elephants. Other variety of birds, lizards, snake, and tortoise are also found. See the picture of moist deciduous forest, which is densely forested area, and this one is the dry deciduous forest. Clear? Now see the thorn, tropical thorn forest and scrubs. Clear? Now we will talk about this. It requires rainfall less than 70 centimeter. It is found in semi-arid region of Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, and Haryana. Vegetation consists of thorny trees, bushes such as acacia, cacti, palm, and euphorbias. Trees are scattered and have long roots penetrating deep into the soil and spreading in a radial pattern to find the water, because the water is less on this area, in this area, so the roots are long, so that roots are long and deep, so that they can easily search the water. Stems are succulent to conserve water. Common animals found in these type of forest are rat, mice, rabbit, fox, wolf, tiger, lion, wild ass, horses, and camels. Now, see the picture of mangrove forest. Mangrove forest or deltic forest, I told you also. These are some of the pictures related to the mangrove forest. Clear? Now I will tell you about the mangrove forest. Mangrove forests are found in the areas of the coasts influenced by the tides. Mud and silt get accumulated on such coastal areas. Dense mangroves are commonly found with the roots of the plants submerged underwater. Mostly these type of forests are found on the deltas of Ganga, Mahanadi, Krishna, Godavari, and Kaveri. The common tree which are found in the Ganga Brahmaputra delta is the Sundari trees. They provide the durable hard timber also. Other plants which are found in these are palm, coconut, kora, agar. Famous animal found in these forests is actually the Royal Bengal tiger. The natural habitat of Royal Bengal tiger is mangrove forest of Ganga and Brahmaputra delta. And other common animals which are found in these are the turtle, crocodile, gharial, and snakes. That's all in this video. In next video we will talk about the wildlife.